floor before I even get you, dude. I'll knock all your teeth off.
Put the camera down there.
I'll pepper spray you too before that. You have a gun? You're the one who have a fucking gun. It's a taser, idiot. You don't know the difference? Are you stupid or what? Fucking idiot. You detain me, you're gonna get a big lawsuit. That's why I'm warning you, and I got you in this body camera too. I just butthurt what I called you, bitch. You're the ones with the gun. You're the ones who have the gun. What an idiot. That bald guy is a tyrant. He should not be in the force. This idiot, I have a gun. Running like a little bitch, huh? Why you being a little bitch and running like a girl and inventing stuff? You know who I am. I film you every day. And I need your badge number. You work for me, public servant. Let me get it.
Okay. Badge number 3.
Stop lying. I have a gun. It's a taser, stupid ass. Okay?
39.
Stupid ass. You don't know the difference? Look at this.
I'll be right there, sir.
You're running. You should grow some hair. You make good money and you don't have hair on your head. You're a joke, dude.
Watch out. I might hit you.
This is a public sidewalk, dude. And I need your business card. Huh? I got an issue with this guy, it's not you. Why are you getting inside business that you don't know doesn't belong to you? Don't get business that doesn't belong to you. Don't belong to you. Look at this crybaby. They're just mad because they got this. Ooh, it's too shiny. Cannot do anything. Even these guys don't do anything. What is that bitch gonna do? Nothing. Oof, it's too cold though. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold, a little bit cold. Ooh. Yeah, cold. Sue me? Sue me, sue me. Sue me. Sue me. I have a lot of money, sue me. Sue me. Don't get in business that doesn't belong to you. You're supposed to set the example and you're letting this lady assault me. You're letting this lady to assault me. You let this lady assault me. You're a joke, man. That's why the community doesn't like you, because you act stupid like that. Each time you act stupid. This guy saying I have a gun, you're an idiot. I don't have a gun. And this guy too. What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do?
Put the camera down.
Not gonna put anything down.
Richard Garcia, huh?
How's your little buddy doing, your faggot friend over there?
Hey,
Your little toe faggot.
Richard Garcia. What's up, Richard? Hi, Richard Garcia.
Why are you hiding your face like a faggot?
Hi, Richard Garcia. What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
You wouldn't even do nothing. You'll be on the floor before I even get you, dude. I'll knock all your teeth off.
Put the camera down there.
I'll pepper spray you too before that. Keep acting stupid. Let's see if your company doesn't get it. Oh, go right there. Who gone?
Richard Garcia.
You're an idiot. You're mad because this, look. You're mad.
Richard Garcia.
Keep hiding your face. Only a coward doesn't show his face. Like you.
Richard Garcia.
You're an idiot.
302. Let everybody know where you live.
So, I'll let him know. Go show up over there. Let's see what happens to you.
Go. 302. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, you're good. No, he's having a problem. He's having a problem. Okay, that's fine. So, are you gonna complain or?
They think it's funny, huh? Yeah. These are the people that leave the who's running like a girl, huh? You act more strange than criminals. This guy is funny. Why are you running away? I don't get it, dude. It's cold out here, that's why. Not because I film these guys every day. So a lot of fights erupted here. There was a lot of anger. That's for sure. A lot of anger. But I'm still gonna post them online. It doesn't matter. If you get angry, that's not my problem. I'm still posting you online. Simple as it goes, everybody. Simple as it goes.
Oh, yeah, you see that. They're so detailed, that's fine. No. Yeah, because there's no personal information in this card. That's fine. Yeah, perfect.
You're the ones with the guns and you're scared of a taser?
Hey sir, this is my business card, my partner's business card. I'm just gonna go over it with you. That's my name, my serial, his name, his serial. That's the date, that's the time, that's the incident number, and pretty much why we responded. We responded for a traffic collision, no reports or injuries, exchange of information only. Do you have any questions for us?
No, how come you were letting those people insult me? Like,
I didn't hear.
I'm known on YouTube, I'm big, that's what I'm gonna tell you who I am. I film LAPD every time.
Okay. Cool.
And you saw those guys were mad because I'm here and he was covering his face. Only a coward covers his face.
Okay. You want the business card, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a question. This guy works for the public and he's acting like running away, like somebody's gonna do something to this individual here. Why is that? Can you answer?
No one's gonna do anything.
Look, let me tell you the truth. You're the most guys who kill people. You think I'm gonna do that? LAPD is known to kill people. And that's the thing, you're running away?
Well, we're done.
I'm asking you a question straight to man. That's what I'm telling you.
My personal opinions don't matter, okay?
Why were you running away and then you claim I said, this is a taser?
Oh, it looks like a gun.
You could have detained me and then it would have gone bad for you.
All right, sir.
All right, you have a good one, okay?
Okay.
Good luck, okay?
All right. Nothing against you, but be professional.
Yeah, we were, right?
I don't know, you're holding on your stick like somebody's gonna...
No, it's moving, so I'll hold it right.
All right. I don't know you personally, but you have a different style. Nothing against you, okay? Have a great night.
All right. What's your name?
My name is Silence Boy First Amendment. Check it out on YouTube.
Okay, Silent Boy.
You saw those guys, they hated me. You saw their anger in their face.
Yeah.
You could tell.
Yeah.
But if we work together as humans, you'll notice I'm a human being too.
Yeah, I know you are.
I don't hate you, so sorry about that. I approached you like that. Sorry, I have a big YouTube channel. Check it out.
Okay, all right, Silent Boy.
All right. You too. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Sorry if I came to you aggressive, but that was just me how I approach.
I know.
All right.
Good luck.
This is how I like to see that we communicate the people with the police.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Have a good night. So you see, we checked it out.